48-inch monogram 2007 refrigerator. I'm sure this is a common thing you'll see. This right here is the suction capillary line coming off the condenser. It comes down in a low loop, and inside this insulation, water collects from condensation freezing and then thawing. Over time, it causes an erosion of this capillary and suction line. I'm not sure exactly where the leak is, but it's a slow one. I have it pressurized at 200 psi right now, and it's slowly leaking down over 24 hours. But essentially, this right here, you can see a lot of corrosion. So we could either replace a small section or this whole thing. I think it's about 112 bucks for the whole line set from the condenser over to the evaporator. But I guess this is a common problem on these units.